Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite secrets of working on cars at home. This is the QuickJack 7000 TL. You'll notice how easy it is to get these off the wall hanger. The trick is installing them at just the right height. I like to put them about an inch or two above the lift so it's just barely raised off the ground. Put my foot underneath, lift it up, and slide this thing under the car. You just want to make sure you get these jack pads placed exactly where the manufacturer specifies. Now we'll go ahead and lift this thing up. I'm going to do this at double speed. It does take about 30 seconds at normal speed. To lock these in place, we're going to hold the down button for 4 to 5 seconds. Once the lock bar is engaged, we can safely remove the hydraulic hoses and get underneath the vehicle. Time to go on the undercar experience. This has a ton of room. You don't have to worry about hitting your head on anything. You can put your arms out as far as you want. I mean, you can see everything in here. I'll show you up here, like towards the front. I can reach all the way up. I can darn near touch the hood from under the car. That's pretty cool.